Whether you're trekking through the Amazon, navigating dense forests, or hiking up rugged mountain trails, or exploring a bustling city filled with tourists and vibrant markets, accidents can happen at any moment. A well-stocked travel first aid kit is your first line of defense against unexpected mishaps, providing peace of mind. It provides essential supplies to treat minor injuries and illnesses, from cuts and scrapes to headaches and blisters. This can make all the difference when you're far from home or medical help, especially in remote locations where assistance is not readily available. Imagine twisting your ankle on a remote hiking trail, miles away from the nearest town. Having pain relief and a bandage in your kit can provide immediate comfort and support, helping to stabilize the injury. This allows you to continue your adventure or seek help without unnecessary delays. Or picture getting a nasty cut while exploring a local market, surrounded by unfamiliar surroundings. Antiseptic wipes and bandages can prevent infection and promote healing, ensuring that a minor injury doesn't turn into a major problem. A first aid kit is not about being paranoid, it's about being prepared for the unexpected. It's about having the tools to handle those small but impactful situations that can arise when you're out exploring the world, ensuring your travels are safe and enjoyable. Pack smart when it comes to medications. Include pain relievers like ibuprofen or acetaminophen for headaches and muscle aches. Pack antihistamines like loratadine or cetirizine to combat allergic reactions. Include medication to manage upset stomachs such as loperamide for diarrhea or antacids for heartburn. Bismuth subsalicylate can be helpful for travelers' diarrhea as well. Always check the expiration dates of your medications and ensure you have an adequate supply for your trip. It's also a good idea to keep medications in their original packaging to avoid confusion. Cuts, scrapes, and blisters are common occurrences while traveling. Be prepared with adhesive bandages in various sizes. Include gauze pads and adhesive tape for larger wounds. Antiseptic wipes or solution are crucial for cleaning wounds and preventing infection. Don't forget antibiotic ointment to further reduce the risk of infection. Include a small pair of scissors for cutting bandages or clothing if needed. Tweezers can be useful for removing splinters or ticks. Section 4. Additional items for a comprehensive kit. In addition to the essentials, consider adding a few extra items to enhance your travel first aid kit. Include a digital thermometer to monitor temperature in case of fever. Motion sickness medication can be a lifesaver if you're prone to nausea during travel. Pack oral rehydration salts to combat dehydration caused by diarrhea or excessive sweating. Hand sanitizer is crucial for maintaining hygiene, especially when soap and water are scarce. Finally, include a small first aid manual as a reference guide for common injuries and illnesses. Section 5. Tips for using and maintaining your kit. Regularly check the contents of your first aid kit to ensure all items are in stock and within their expiration dates. This is crucial because expired items can be ineffective or even harmful. Store your kit in a cool, dry place to prevent damage to medications and other supplies. Avoid areas with high humidity or extreme temperatures. Keep your kit easily accessible, preferably in your carry-on luggage if you're flying. This ensures you can quickly reach it in case of an emergency. Familiarize yourself with the contents of your kit and how to use each item. Read the manual thoroughly and practice using the items if possible. Consider taking a basic first aid course to gain essential skills and knowledge. These courses can provide hands-on experience and boost your confidence in handling emergencies. Remember, prevention is key. Take precautions to avoid injuries and illnesses while traveling. Simple actions like applying sunscreen and using hand sanitizer can make a big difference in staying healthy. Section 6. Peace of mind. Traveling prepared. Having a well-stocked travel first aid kit provides you with invaluable peace of mind when exploring the world. It ensures that you are ready to handle any minor injuries or health issues that may arise during your journey. It empowers you to address minor medical situations effectively and responsibly. From treating small cuts and scrapes to managing blisters and insect bites, your kit is your first line of defense. While we hope you never have to use your kit, knowing you're prepared for the unexpected allows you to fully embrace your adventures. This preparedness gives you the confidence to explore new places and try new activities without worry. Whether you're venturing into the wilderness or navigating bustling city streets, a travel first aid kit is an essential companion. It's not just for remote areas. Even in urban settings, having a kit can be incredibly useful. It's a testament to your preparedness and commitment to your well-being. A well-thought-out kit reflects your foresight and care for yourself and your travel companions. Remember, a small kit can make a world of difference when it comes to your health and safety on the road. It's a small investment that pays off in peace of mind and security, ensuring that you can handle unexpected situations with ease.